Jokanyo e duond bura mar Jubilee oseyo jotelo mosebedo ka seyo jatend duond bura no Uhuru Kenyatta kaluwore gi kaka yiero mag 2022 ne ota to kod kaka Azimio ne obago kampen mage. Kotelnegi kod jalupo gai mar Jubilee Fred Matiang'i gi nyiero seyo ma kamago gimedo ni piny owacho e kinde mokalo ne ochano mar keto put mar nono kaka yiero ma kamano notimore. Owacho ni korka Azimio Uhuru ne otimo korka kore e yo makare makik luo seyo e wiye.
If people actually wanted the truth about what happened in 2022 and so on, this administration promised us that they will form a commission of inquiry on state capture. Yes. And in that commission of inquiry, they would include a clause on the administration of elections in 2022. Yes. We have been waiting for that commission of inquiry, and that is what they need to do in the national leadership. We believe they have much more work to do that they need to spend time on, so that they'll spend less time on our party leader, stop attacks on our party leader, and stop dragging our party leader into irrelevancies.
One of the individuals who is in charge of managing those affairs is the SG. And you know who the SG of Azimio is and was and is even today. If we had managed it well, there is every likelihood that Raila would be in state house alive, having secured proper medical attention when he became unwell.